Hold on to your seats because we've got some electrifying updates from the tech world. The race for foldable phone dominance is heating up, and Samsung is at the forefront, sprinting towards an epic milestone. Foldable phones, the cool cats of the smartphone arena, may not have been around for eons, but Samsung is on a mission. They're pushing their Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip models into the eager hands of tech enthusiasts worldwide, and the results are nothing short of impressive. We're talking numbers that rival the beloved Galaxy Note lineup. Yes, you heard it right. But that's not where the excitement ends. Brace yourself for this. Samsung is eyeing a grand target. They're gunning for their foldable shipments to outshine the Galaxy Note smartphones. Ambitious? You bet. Can they pull it off? We sure hope so. The buzz from Korea suggests that while 2023 might not be the year they snatch that title, they're gearing up to deliver over 10 million foldables in a single year for the first time ever. That's a monumental achievement on its own. Now, for the juicy details, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 are poised to soar 8 to 10% higher in sales compared to their predecessors. Imagine that. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 might even command a whopping 60 to 65% of all foldable sales, while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 claims a solid 30 to 35%. But wait, there's a twist in the plot. Components orders haven't skyrocketed, but they haven't plummeted either. It's a balance act, suggesting that while the hype hasn't skyrocketed, Samsung's new foldables aren't exactly fading into the shadows. And here's a sneak peek into the future. The Galaxy S24 series is revving its engines. Mass production starts next month, with whispers of an early January launch. Samsung is fast-tracking to meet the wild demand ignited by Apple's iPhone 15 series. Get ready for an epic showdown in the smartphone arena. The Galaxy S24 promises a tech bonanza, featuring the Exynos 2400 processor in most regions, while Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 versions make a special appearance in China and the US. But guess what? The Galaxy S24 Ultra is Snapdragon exclusive for the entire globe. So fellow tech enthusiasts, buckle up because Samsung is on a roller coaster ride of innovation, and we're all invited to the thrilling party.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control and